Is that a pen there?
That's a microphone. Let's cut more pics for it.
Yay! So I can go like this?
I think that's, yeah, I'm not exactly sure how to play
And this is
it.
a pen too. You go like this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Oh, glad you like it.
After supper, we'll help get it all ready, okay?
I just want to open it. See how it looks.
Well, why don't we wait till after supper because we're